Hello friends, welcome to Let's Do It Show. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to approach a girl. But please, before that, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any of our awesome videos. You can approach any girl when you just learn these simple tips and tricks in this video. So if you want to approach a girl, make sure that the girl is not that busy and is in a good mood to speak. And don't go and be like all sexy like in the movies. Try to create something with her and don't be shy. So these are words you should say to her. Don't go and be like, what's your name? Be more like, hi there, to show the positive side of you. After you get her attention, then try doing this. Where are you going in this lovely evening? She's going to reply you. After she replies, continue saying, I'm girlfriend you, but you see her name, and you're going to get her name this way. So after doing that, continue saying, it has been a long time since I've seen a beautiful girl like you. When you see her smile, then this means that you are on the right track. Then continue saying, sorry, but I need to go because you don't want to stay there for all the right. Then you continue saying, I didn't get your number. Well, a beautiful girl like you gave her number to me. So then you exchange your number. So if you do this trick, you can get his number so easy. So you continue saying, I would like to see you another day. If she says sure or okay, then you can arrange a time so that the time to see her. Then you continue saying, I would love it when we meet at the coffee shop on Saturday or any of your free time. If she says okay, then you are good to go. So say bye, and she's going to say bye back, and that's all. Please subscribe to Let's Do It Show to support the channel, and I'm going to see you next time. Thank you for watching, and hit that like button if you enjoy. You can comment on this video. Bye, see you next time.